This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, April 23rd, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a trough digging in across the north and east, another one into the northern Rockies. This is going to be bringing the next storm system in later today with the threat of some showers and thunderstorms across the state. This will also have highs mainly in the upper 50s north, maybe mid 50s north and east, to low 70s in the southwestern counties with thunderstorms approaching. We could see some sunshine early in the morning. Thursday, second batch of storms comes in. There may be a slight break in between the two. This will be with the actual cold front, some showers and thunderstorms once again. Highs in the upper 50s to near 70. Then it clears out on Friday. We get some Pacific air coming in from the west for a day before the colder air from the north begins to drop in. So we should see highs again in the 60s to near 70 for highs here on Friday with plenty of sunshine. And then it starts to cool down slightly. Saturday will be down into the 50s to lower 60s. Even as the next storm system comes in from the west, the winds turn around to the south and east. And then we're going to begin a long period of rather rainy, raw, wet weather. Okay, we have a low pressure center in southeastern Colorado. The Gulf is open, but we have an easterly flow all during this time. That was Sunday. This is Monday. Easterly flow. Highs will be in the upper 40s, maybe mid 40s to lower to mid 50s. With a southeast to east wind, it'll be rather raw, rather rainy. And this is Tuesday. The low is now just east of St. Louis. Now we have an east to northeasterly flow. This means more cold air, more rainy. It may not be an all-day rain. We hope we can see some breaks, with highs likely still in the 40s and 50s, even here by next Wednesday. The upper-level feature centered somewhere around Tupelo, Mississippi. The flow still coming straight out of the north. And that's going to keep the temperatures still rather cool, and that still could keep some precipitation in our far southeastern counties even here until next Wednesday. So it could be rather rainy, wet, and cold for the next several days starting on Sunday. Going into the extended period on May 4th, well, it ain't cold no more. We have pretty much a ridge over us with a trough in the east and a system coming into the desert south and west. With this ridge overhead, that means we could see some warmer temperatures. Maybe highs back around 70 or in the low to mid 70s by that point, with a system approaching from the west. And one system moving off the east coast, we might add that's the upper level feature that was on the last thing. And then at the end of the forecast on May the 8th, we have a slight northwesterly flow with a trough axis just to the east of the state. Big upper level feature west of California, a ridge over South Texas. High pressure coming in from the north and west could bring some cool temperatures back down, maybe highs back into the lower to middle 60s, with a frontal system to our east and a little bit of rain shower activity to the west. Satellite image from last evening, well, this next system is off to our west with some clouds, some showers, and a few thunderstorms and some high elevation snow. We have a system moving off the east coast, taking a few showers and a few thunderstorms with it, and the rest of the country quiet. Watch warning map from last evening. A couple wind advisories in the plains. We have some winter weather advisories in Montana and along the Cascades of southern Washington and Oregon. A frost advisory in northern Illinois to northwestern Indiana, and elsewhere fairly quiet. QPF chart. That doesn't look very quiet. It looks rather wet. This is rainfall through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall in southwestern Iowa could approach 3 to 4 inches, with other places receiving at least 1 to 2 inches, and this is with the two storms that we spoke of earlier.